You get there, pricelab.co, .co. You get there, it show you the PriceLab interface. If you don't have any, what's the name, any account with PriceLab, you just click on start your free trial and sign up. Otherwise, if you have, you log in. So once you log in, it opens up. So you can see, because I already have PriceLabs integrated with the Airbnb I'm managing, I'm co-hosting. So it's here. This particular Airbnb is a studio. So you can see here Airbnb. Do you understand? Then that is the listing ID. You can copy the, you can actually get your, click copy here. Then it shows you the title. The title of your Airbnb is up here. You can click on these three dots here. You can basically do everything on these three dots here. It show you once you have finished putting your prices and everything, it has PriceLabs has configured and integrated with Airbnb, or rather to integrate all that PriceLab has done. You would click on sync now. You see, once it shows this green color, it means that the prices here are reflecting on Airbnb. This is view overrides. If there's any override, you understand? Edit customization doesn't mean to edit customization. Let's go there. On edit customization, it shows you, okay, currently applied on the left hand side, stay restrictions, smart presets, all customizations. So you can see minimal stay settings, the button is on. Then here it says price labs recommended short-term rental. So you click on this drop down button, you see price labs recommended. Is it mid-term rental you are doing? Is it short-term rental? Is it multi-unit rental? That's a mixture of both. Do you understand? Or whatever it is you call yours, you create the new profile here. But since this is all about, this particular studio is for short-term rental, I clicked on short-term rental. You get. So it says lowest minimum stay. Do you understand? Some people they put their lowest minimum stay at 3 nights, 2 nights, 7 nights. But for this one, to be able to attract clients or guests, I put it at 1 night for weekday, 1 night for what's name, for weekend. Add highest. I didn't touch that. There's no need to add highest. The highest can be as long as the person wants, and the owner of the property can allow. Do you understand? So here, if you come down here, you can see occupancy based adjustments. Choose from pre-made profiles or create custom profile. So aggressive is okay. I put it at aggressive because it is okay how I want the guests to come. Do you understand? Do I want it aggressive or on default and everything? I put it actually on aggressive. I think that is recommended by Price Lab to put on aggressive. So I put it there. Seasonality factor, sensitivity. I put it on recommended. Do you understand? Aggressive. I was instructed to put it on aggressive by Price Labs. Then here it shows customized last minute prices currently applied. So all these places you don't even need to touch them. They are actually on default because Price Labs will just help you to fix them. The interface is their interface, so they know what is good for your property. And since it's a third party, whatever with Airbnb, it's in a better position to tell you. So when you're using Price Labs, actually don't no need for you to use the Airbnb pricing again to fix your pricing. If you have already fixed your pricing through Airbnb, you can put them off. Do you understand? So that the prices on Price Lab does not conflict with the prices on Airbnb. You can put them off, all those 5% last minute booking or all those kind of things that you could just put them off or leave them, whatever. But just use Price Labs, which is or any other pricing tool. Do you understand? To fix what I'm going to deal on is actually the Price Labs because it's my most preferred this pricing tool. So you see here customers filed prices, just